Fishing has never really been a fashion show to me. I've always run older boats because I like boats that are paid for. I've had this boat for over a decade now, and the motor I think is 21 years old. And there's a lot of things you can do to properly maintain a boat as far as routine maintenance and all that kind of stuff. But the easiest thing I've found, two things actually. Using non-ethanol fuel all the time, no matter what, and also using a fuel treatment. So there's a lot of fuel treatments out there you can choose from. I mean, it's really an endless selection at any store you go into. But we've been using Seafoam for a long time. They've been around forever. You've probably seen it on your granddaddy's shop or your daddy's shop. But now they've come out with a marine-specific formula called Marine Pro. We've been using it for, I don't know, probably several months now, and our motors are running tip-top shape. They're smoking a lot less. It's been great. And like I mentioned, this is a very easy preventative maintenance tool. And to use it, it's really simple. I've got two gas tanks on my boat. I've got one on the port side and one on the starboard side. And every time I fill up, no matter where I am, no matter what the situation is, I put 1/2 can of this in each tank before I fuel up. Now during the fall months specifically, my boat tends to sit for a long time because I'm in the deer stand. You know, I don't run it as much. And as you know, when you let a boat sit, especially an older boat, things break. So this fuel treatment actually stabilizes the fuel. So for long-term storage, whether you're winterizing it up north or whether you're doing other things down south, it's great and it's not gonna allow that fuel-water separation. So this treatment really does do a lot. You know, we mentioned that it stabilizes your fuel, but it also cleans those injectors. And, you know, most importantly, really, it cleans all the old carbon deposits out of your cylinder heads so you can get that maximum horsepower, great hole shot, and top speed. We've always preached that maintenance is a lot cheaper than repairs, and that's the truth. So before you get on the water, nonstop catching those big fish, consider strongly using non-ethanol fuel and a fuel treatment, and your boat's gonna last you a lot longer and you're gonna be able to protect that investment.